In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate Trello using its built-in automation tool called Butler. This is the easiest way to automate repetitive tasks on your board without using any third-party apps. If you want to save time, reduce manual work, and keep your projects running smoothly, this is exactly what you need. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll walk you through a practical example that you can set up in less than 2 minutes. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and powerful software tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what Butler actually is. Butler is Trello's built-in automation system. It allows you to create rules that trigger automatic actions when something happens on your board. For example, when a card is moved to a specific list, Trello can automatically update the due date, assign a member, add a label, or even post a comment. The best part is, you don't need to write any code. Now let's set up a very useful automation. When a card is moved to the done list, Trello will automatically mark the due date as complete. This is perfect for keeping your reports accurate and ensuring completed tasks don't show up as overdue. Step 1. Open your Trello board. Go to the board where your done list exists. Make sure you're inside the correct workspace and looking at the board where you want the automation to apply. Step 2. Look at the top right corner of your board and click on Automation. This is where all Butler features live. Once the automation panel opens, you'll see different options like Rules, Buttons, Due Date, and Calendar. For this setup, click on Rules. Rules allow you to create automatic actions based on triggers. Next, click on Create Rule. Now we're going to define two things: the trigger, which is the when, and the action, which is the then. Under the Trigger section, choose When a card is moved to a list. After selecting that option, Trello will ask you to choose the specific list. Select your done list. Now we'll define the action. Click Add Action. From the list of categories, choose Dates. Then select Mark the due date as complete. This tells Trello that any time a card enters the done list, it should automatically check off the due date. Once everything looks correct, click Save. And that's it. Your automation is now live. From now on, whenever you drag a card into the done list, Trello will instantly mark its due date as complete. No more manual clicking, no more forgotten updates. Everything stays organized automatically. This is just one simple example. You can create many powerful automations using Butler. For example, you can automatically assign tasks when they're moved to a specific list, add labels based on priority, create recurring tasks, or even send notifications. The more you use automation, the more time you save. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to see more Trello productivity tips, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I post easy-to-follow software guides that help you work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.